Supporting dual language at home. Welcome to Dual Language at Home, supporting students learning in 2 languages during distance learning. This video series will focus on EPISD dual language color coding and learning through cognates. Color coding has been used for centuries to help people with organization, categorization, and making sense of their surroundings. Assigning color helps children make connections to activities they are doing. In this case, teachers use color coding to make connections to the language of instruction. EPISD has chose green for Spanish text and blue for English text. You will see how this will soon tie in with understanding and learning through cognates. What is a cognate? Cognates are words in 2 languages that share a similar meaning, spelling, and pronunciation. 30 to 40% of all words in English have a related word in Spanish. Cognates are an obvious bridge to the languages and are particularly common in content areas such as math, science, and social studies. Cognates help build vocabulary in English and in Spanish. Here are some examples of cognates: refrigerador, refrigerator, dinosaurio, dinosaur, televisión, television. Beware of the false cognate. There are also words in English and Spanish that sound as if they could be a cognate, but in fact they are not. Here are some examples: embarrassed, embarazada, carpet, carpeta, pie, pie. As you can see, they all have a similar sound, however, they have a very different meaning. Here are some activities you can do at home with your children. The first activity is called the cognate guessing game. You will need note cards or squares of scratch paper and a blue and green writing utensil. The object of the game is to find the matching cognate cards to the word that is presented. For example, the student will make 2 piles of cognate cards. One pile will have English cognates and the other pile will have Spanish cognates. They will hold one of the stacks, whether it be English or Spanish, and spread the other stack across the floor so that you can see the words. When the student selects the first card, for example, círculo, they will have to look on the floor to find the matching cognate, circle. For an extension, the children can explain why círculo and circle are cognates. The second activity is a cognate search. You will need sticky notes or paper and tape or an iPad. Also, you will need blue and green writing utensils. The object of this game is to find as many objects as possible in your home and or outside that are English, Spanish cognates and label them. So the students will walk around your home and find as many English and Spanish cognates as possible, and using their sticky note or their paper and tape, they will label the object. They will write the English cognate in blue, and they will write the Spanish cognate in green. For example, the refrigerator. You can also have the student use their iPad to take a picture of the object, and using Chatterpix, they can record the English and Spanish cognates. We hope that you enjoyed this video. For a list of cognates, please look at the information box below and click on the link. Here is a sample of what it will look like. The Division of Connecting Languages thanks you for viewing our video series. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel below.